Okay, so this is going to be for the modified integrated turn signals that I put on. And there were some questions about whether they were visible or not. These are the flush mounts that were just a little too insufficient for me. So I went ahead and put the LED, wired it with the flush mount wire, which went into the main wiring there. And let me go ahead and put the hazards on. And that's what we have as far as turn signals go. And although it's pretty bright, might even be better than factory, because now instead of just having one light on each side, I have two lights on each side. I think it looks good. Alright, thanks for tuning in. There's a little blip for you. Blip, blip.